Thank you, Akshay. Hello, everyone. I'm Jitin, and I hope all of you are healthy and taking all precautions to stay safe. I'm really happy to connect with you all once again. Well, this all-new Reno 4 Pro has got me super excited. I'm sure you are raring to lay your hands on this latest addition to the Reno family. But hold your breath. That's not it. I have something more for you. I'm sure some of you already have a sense of what I'm going to reveal. Yes, friends, I'm really thrilled to be introducing the stylish and smart Oppo Watch, a new addition to our IoT portfolio. Well, this is the first time Oppo is launching a smartwatch in India. We believe smart wearables are a critical starting point for the creation of a full IoT product ecosystem. And earlier this year, we outlined our vision of building a more intelligent ecosystem to simplify your lives. As a stepping stone, we had announced the launch of our first IoT device at the launch of the Reno 2 series, the Oppo Enco Q1 headphones. And now, with the recent launch of Oppo Enco W11, we have further strengthened our portfolio. Our legacy in audio technology has helped us amass growth in the audio wearable segment, continually enchanting. Now, the launch of Oppo Watch represents a pioneering achievement in the field of smartwear. With Oppo Watch, we have thus strategized a three-piece smart kit and laid out the foundation for the IoT ecosystem. The smart kit comprises of a smartphone, a headphone, and a smartwatch. Well, the snazzy Oppo Watch has crafted to encourage a smart, dynamic, and convenient lifestyle. For many of us, watches are not only timekeepers, but a means to keep our lives convenient and organized. As an accessory, watches also demonstrate the user's personality and sense of aesthetics. The Oppo Watch is a culmination of our consumers' insights and needs, ready to bowl you over with its mind-blowing features. Well, to start with, it is the industry's first watch to feature the dual curved display, typically found on flagship smartphones. While boasting of a narrow bezel, the curved 1.91-inch AMOLED screen is empowered with 3D dual curved display, allowing you to view as much information as possible, just with the mere raising of the wrist. Well, to complement your style quotient, the Oppo Watch will come in various trendy, eye-catching colors such as the black and glossy gold in the 46mm version and black, pink gold, and silver mist in the 41mm version, sure to make a statement on your wrist. Significantly allaying your battery woes, the watch incorporates Oppo's own dual-chip endurance system. And watch's VOOC Flash Charging technology improves battery life and shortens charging time. In smart mode, the 46mm smartwatch provides a 36-hour usage time in just one charge, while the 41mm smartwatch delivers a usage time of 24 hours. Well, in power saver mode, now you can use functions such as message notifications, step tracking, and heart rate monitoring. Whereas in the power saving mode, the 46mm smartwatch gives 21 days of usage time, and the 41mm smartwatch gives you 14 days of usage time, all in just one charge. Well, embedded with our own safe and speedy VOOC Flash Charging technology, Oppo Watch gets fully charged in just 75 minutes. The 46mm smartwatch charges 46% in 15 minutes, while the 41mm smartwatch charges 30% in just 15 minutes. And now, how marvelous is that? For someone who strongly believes in maintaining a fit body, mind, and soul, the Oppo smartwatch will keep and help to track and sustain a healthier lifestyle. The Oppo smartwatch intelligently helps you with fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, sleep quality, get-up reminders, and breathing, and much more to serve a constant companion to your fitness and health regime, improving the quality and efficiency of our users' lives. Additionally, as a perfect exercise buddy on your wrist, the watch contains 5 exercise sensors, which can monitor a range of exercise scenarios and are also water resistant to 50 meters, making it easier to incorporate exercise into any lifestyle. All in all, the Oppo Watch brings you a stylish way to live more freely, healthily, and creatively, and is going to appeal to not only all the technology and fitness enthusiasts out there, but also to those for whom style is a compulsion and not an option. Now, before I move on to our big announcement, let me show you a small video to take you closer to this beauty. Let's enjoy the video. That's all on the smartwatch for now, and I'm sure this new offering in our IoT portfolio will be a valuable addition to your lifestyle. And now, it's time for the big moment. So let me call Akshay to end the price suspense to you. Akshay, all yours.
Thanks, Jitin. So the moment you have all been waiting for. But before I reveal the price of these two stylish and premium offerings by Oppo, I'd like to show a quick recap of the Oppo Watch and the Reno 4 Pro. Here it is for Oppo Watch. You know what's more exciting is that all these advanced technologies packed in a stellar, sleek and stylish design will be available at an amazing price. The Oppo Watch 46mm will be available at Rupees 19,990, and the Oppo Watch 41mm will be available for Rupees 14,990, combined with some amazing offers. Both the watches will go on sale from 10th August onwards.